The things that impact Google directly, your Google business profile is actually 30% of the equation. So a lot of times people think, oh, it's my website. Yes, your website is also equally as important, but is actually only 26% of the equation. So the content of your website and the search engine optimization of your website. Then you have links and citations. So let's take the SoMe profile, for example. If you are part of SoMe and you have a profile listed on there, that is a link on a popular website that gets tens of thousands of hits every single month that links back to your name and your website. That is an authoritative link. If you're a member of A4M or the Menopause Society or ACOG or any of these medical societies or organizations, and you have a profile on their platform that's complete, that's a link back to you. So when we say links and citations, they can be healthcare directory listings. They can also be business directory listings.